Alrighty, we're on the park's Mack Water Coaster. I'm going to show a little breakdown. It's covered pretty fast. Nice.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Hey, how are you?
Okay. Wow. Pretty impressive, actually. Wow.
That's impressive.
Cool. It's the shorter layout than the side in the Europa Park. It's the same general model. This looks really fun. And it also still has that wonky profiling on the final drop. That's funny. Should be a good time. Hopefully it won't get too wet out. So we are in the back row. Oh.
And away we go. That's a noise. Oh, Lord have mercy upon my soul. Oh God. Oh shit.
Okay, not too bad, but a little wet.
A little moisture there.
Pretty good though. It's a fun ride. That's the airtime we had. That was fun.
Yeah, a little sploosh in the face, but it's fine.
As wet as I got.
Yeah. Definitely more wet than the one at Europa. At Europa,